What's going on, everybody? This is Andy with Patterson Adjuster Training. Whenever I first started doing Castastrophe, I did a lot of vehicle inspections. One of the things that's going to come up in paintless dent repair is called a glue pull or a tab pull. Now, what is that? Well, I'm going to show you what it is. This is not teaching you how to do paintless dent repair. It's just to show what a glue pull, what a tab pull actually looks like. I know a lot of folks have seen them on estimates and they probably wondered, what is that? Well, today I'm going to show you. Okay, so here's some of the tools when you're doing a glue pull or a tab pull. You've got your glue puller. Now you've got these tabs which will actually be glued to the sheet metal. You can see they come in a variety of different sizes and shapes depending on what kind of dent you're working with. They call it massaging in the paintless dent repair world. And then also you've got your glue gun, you've got your scraper to scrape off the glue, and then you've got your alcohol solution. And another important piece is your paintless dent repair light. You can turn these off and on individually. So this is just a basic glue pull for folks who have never seen one. We've got our tab. We're going to put some glue on it. We've got a dent right here. So we're going to put it there. Just hold it there for a second. Full disclaimer, I am not a paintless dent repair technician. Over the years of working claims, working hailstorms, in and out of body shops, in and out of paintless dent repair shops, I've learned a few things. I've been taught a few things. I'm a novice. I know how paintless dent repair works. I can do a few small dents. Actually, it should be slid in the other way, but loosen it up. My puller will slide under the tab, and then you can see it's holding itself. So we got it's good and tight. So now I'm just going to slowly flex the tool, and you can see the body panel moving. And what I'm doing is I'm slowly massaging this dent out. Will I get all of this dent out, this pull? No, I probably won't. It may take a couple of pulls for me to get this where I want it, and I may have to get a tap down tool and tap it down, but this will give you an idea as to what is involved in a glue pull. Now this tab will break free here in just a second. And then the glue pulls off. Whenever you normally do this, there's a little bit of glue left behind. So you'll take your alcohol solution, spray it down, and then you'll just slowly peel it off with your scraper. And then you'll come back with your rag, polish it clean, and you should be good to go. Okay, well, I hope that helps. In other videos, I'll show you what paintless dent repair looks like using the rods. I'll show you the equipment that paintless dent repairers use. And then I'll show you how they actually get behind the panel and demonstrate some of that. I will see you all in the next video.